Cracking your knuckles. Does it really cause arthritis? Let's find out. You've probably heard that cracking your knuckles will lead to arthritis. But is that actually true? No. The sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is just air bubbles popping in your joints, not bones breaking. Studies have shown that knuckle cracking doesn't increase your risk of arthritis. However, it can cause irritation in the joints if done too much, so maybe ease up a bit. Just a little myth busting for your day. Crack away, but with care. Myth busted.